Draw your attention first to the back end on our menu manager and indicate that personal treasures is using a category list type menu, and then these items are using list all categories. And the properties for each one of these, so if we click in here just quickly, the properties in here define how the menu, the target pages if you will, are rendered. So if a user navigates through the site starting from personal treasures, so they click on personal treasures and then they click on post-war, they see this output like this. And the same thing on the left side, if they choose personal treasures and then they click post-war, they see the output like this. And that's because it's inheriting the properties, the navigation properties of the parent, which is personal treasures here. So it's inheriting these features. If alternatively you navigate the tree by going meet the friends, personal treasures, and then let's just say, I'll just scroll down a little bit so we can see that, personal treasures, and then post-war. So I'm not clicking on personal treasures, noting I'm overriding that. I'm going to click straight on post-war. The page renders like this based on the properties in the back end for list all categories. We didn't click on personal treasures, we clicked on post-war. Same thing over here then. If on the left hand side, if instead of clicking on personal treasures I click on post-war, it'll render the page exactly the same. So if I meet the friends, personal treasures, post-war, I see this because it's inheriting the properties of this navigational structure. And if I do the same thing, if I choose personal treasures on this side and then post-war, I see the same output. Or if I do personal treasures here and then I click here, I'll see that list of articles. So as you can see, the menu rendering, or the page rendering if you will, is dependent on whether the user's decided to click on personal treasures and you've configured it to display the output a certain way using personal treasures, or whether they circumvent personal treasures and click immediately on these links directly from the menu, in which case it's going to display based on these. So you'll need to twig the configuration in these menu items if you want to try to provide a consistent result or output.